A level 7 equation? Can I just factor it and go home?
Look at this beast. Level 7. Try your usual tricks. I dare you. Reaching for the quadratic formula? That's adorable, but it's useless here.
Why? It worked in 8th grade. Why have you forsaken me?
Abel's theorem, the level cap of algebra. Degree 5 or higher? No formula exists.
No formula means no answer? We assume X doesn't exist and grab lunch?
Oh, the answer exists. Algebra gave up, but calculus, we're just getting started. Before we slay the 7th degree, let's look at a simple example. Just a quadratic equation, x squared minus 3 equals to 0. Try to find exactly where it hits 0 using our secret weapon, Newton-Raphson. Don't panic. Newton-Raphson is like high-stakes math surfing.
Surfing? Matilda, my method is throwing a dart at the screen and praying.
Put the dart down, watch this. First, we launch ourselves up to the curve. Up here, the curve is pretending to be flat. Our emerald highway, the tangent line. Get ready to ride that tangent straight down. 3, 2, 1, slide! Boom! Look at x1. We didn't just move, we practically teleported toward the truth.
Wait, that worked? That's illegal. We skipped 90% of the work.
That's the magic of iteration. Up, slide, repeat. We're spiraling into the answer. See? With every surf, the error just vanishes. Pure geometric perfection. The surfing was a vibe, but how do we turn that feeling into code? We need a recipe, a legendary sequence of steps for the computer. Look at this tangent line. It's like a laser beam pointing to the truth.
Rise over run? That is what I do when I see my gym teacher at the mall.
Ha! But this middle school trick is about to evolve into a superpower. The rise is our vertical drop, f of xn, from our point down to the x-axis. And the run, that is the distance between our guesses, the horizontal leap of faith. Now, we let the algebra perform a little magic. A nudge here, a swap there. We shuffle the pieces. Feel the momentum building? Isolate the step, divide by the slope. Almost there. Boom! The Newton-Raphson formula, a teleportation device that zaps us to the root.
So all that drama just for one fraction? My brain feels like it ran a marathon just to get a participation sticker.
Most people see an equation. I see a final boss battle. Look at this absolute unit. A 7th degree beast. No formula, no mercy. Just pure algebraic chaos. I love it.
7 X's? My brain is filing for divorce. Can we just guess 2 and go home?
Nice try, but 2-ish is for amateurs. We are going for a flawless speed run. Witness the strategy. First, we lure the beast onto our turf. We set it to 0 to create a target. Now, we scan for a weak point. The derivative, our tactical slope detector. Scouting time. At x equals 1, the result is -98. Way too low. But at x equals 2, boom, +30. We just crossed the 0 line. The root is trapped. It's a pincer movement. Nowhere left to hide.
Trapped? Sounds like my weekend plans. I'll throw 1.9 at it and hope it dies.
Behold, the Newton-Raphson strike, the legendary cheat code of calculus. We feed our guess into the machine. Watch how it targets the truth.
That is a graveyard of decimals. My brain is downloading a 50 gig update.
Wait for the payoff. With one glorious leap, we strike the heart. Critical hit! 1.926! The monster is officially history! Wait. The beast is down. But is it out? Let's check the damage report. See that? 0.076 residue. It's twitching. It's not zero yet.
It's regenerating! Double tap! Do it again!
One more hit. X2 is 1.9258, and the error? Practically microscopic. Now that is what I call a clean kill. Zero chance of survival. Wait, before you go and crown Newton the king of everything. Every legend has a secret weakness, a fatal flaw that brings the house of cards down. It's a mathematical catastrophe. I call it the Newton-Raphson trap.
A trap? Is it a level 99 boss? Do I need to go grind for XP first?
Look at this tangent. It's not climbing, it's not diving, it's just flat.
It's ghosting the x-axis. They're never gonna meet for coffee.
Bingo! Look at our formula. See that derivative chilling at the bottom? If the slope is zero, we're dividing by nothing, and you know the golden rule. Never divide by zero. It's the math equivalent of crossing the streams. In our world, that doesn't just give you a boring syntax error. It triggers a universe-ending boom. Math itself just quits on us. But wait. There's an even sneakier trap, one where the root is right there. See the root at zero? It's sitting pretty. Easy target, right?
I'll just slide down the tangent again. Easy peasy.
Zoom, over to the other side. A bit far, but we'll come back, right?
Wait, we're getting further away. It's running away from the root.
Exactly. It's an infinite loop of panic. The method spirals out of control even though the answer is staring us in the face. But when the path is clear, it's pure magic, a total math cheat code. First, we pick a hero, X0. Then we send a tangent on a scouting mission. Where the tangent crashes into the x-axis, we find an even better guess. We repeat the hunt until the solution has nowhere left to hide. Splendid!
Cheat codes? I like it. Now you're speaking my language.